Hey guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I'm talking about why haven't you repaired your credit yet? I received a lot of messages the past few days. People that have said, Rolando, your videos have helped me. Thank you so much. I have a better credit score now. But you watching, you still have bad credit. Shame on you. All right, there are options. You have your credit coach. Believe me when I say this, waking up and having a better credit score, it's definitely amazing. Why? Because you have options. If something happens, boom, your credit is there to get you out of a rut, to get you, just to help you in so many ways. But you choose to have bad credit. You see, bad credit is nothing to be ashamed of. I have bad credit, but choosing to do nothing about your credit, shame on you, especially if you have family, especially if you have little ones that depend on mommy and daddy, and you still choose to spend your money elsewhere and not invest in your credit. Guys, I can help you. I can help you one of two ways, okay? Number one, call the office, schedule your one-on-one free consultation for us to review your credit report. We create a game plan and we put you on the road to a better credit score. Option number two, send us your credit report. If you don't have a credit report, I recommend you go to Credit Check Total, get your credit report for $1, 3 reports, 3 scores is one that I recommend. Mail it to creditrs@creditrepairsolutionsnow.com, and I'll review your credit report, give you a free analysis. And the worst thing is, guess what? You're gonna know what it takes to repair your credit. How cool is that, right? And you might even take this time to say, you know what? Let's do it. Let's repair my credit. Let's start now. Start in 2018 on the road to better credit. Welcome 2019 with a better FICO score. But it all begins with you taking action, picking up that phone, sending an email, and guess what? You have a better credit score. I hope this message sticks and you take action because it begins with you. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.